Hello, can you see my screen? Hello, Suarez po. Yun di siya sa. Hello, welcome all to my class, and I'm going to take you through information resource. First, we are going to see introduction. Okay, can you see what's on my screen? For that case, can someone define for me what's an information? Class, what is an information as it is displayed on my screen? Yes, I'm hearing you. Code. As you can see, information is just an assemblage of recorded data in a comprehensive from both recorded on paper or it can be in electronic and capable of communication. What's a resource? A resource, according to your understanding. Class, what's a resource? Yes. Okay. It can be a person or a material. That's only an available means of support from which an individual gains. Can you see my screen? Okay. We have definition of print materials. And from our own understanding, we know what's print materials. And we say the print media come into being around 16th century, of which it was started around 16th century through the Chinese who invented paper. A man called Charles Gutenberg invented the printing press, which changed the history of mankind. It helped in reading and writing skills, and as a result, mass production of printed sources, for example, textbooks and newspapers are examples of print materials. I hope everyone can understand that from your own understanding. It's the source of information arising in information content in a printed form. Examples of a printed materials are textbook. It can either be a newspaper, it can be an encyclopedia, and we have examples of encyclopedia. For my case, I have defined what's an examples of print materials. I have directories, I have a dictionary, and an encyclopedia. For this case, I've given you the meaning of directories. Directories as what are these kinds of books do we have? What does it contain inside? Can someone read for us what a directory is? Class, what's a directory? Yes, yes. Cool. Thank you, Juliet. It's a reference source, listing information in a way which best suits or serves information requirements of the users. Directories it's always found on your libraries. For now, after my lesson, you can visit your libraries, you can look for a directory, a dictionary, and an encyclopedia. Go through it and see what it contains inside. What's a dictionary? A dictionary, it contains the words of languages, terms of subject or professions arranged in a definite order. I hope everyone understands a dictionary. We use it in high schools, primary schools. I don't think it in college now. It is usually in alphabetical one. It gives meanings. If you want to find a meaning of something, you just go to the dictionary. It gives you the full meaning of what you are looking for. It helps in spelling correction. If you are not sure of what you have written, you can just refer to a dictionary and you will get the full spellings. You can It also helps in pronunciations. It pronunciation uses. It helps in applications and origin. In other words, etymology. It can also be general, for example, an Oxford dictionary, mainly found in our schools, and also specific, e.g., I think this one is found in law codes. It is called a law dictionary. It gives terms in legal professions. That law dictionary gives terms in legal professions. It is therefore a combination of words in language arranged in alphabetical order and defined in the same language. It is also a combination of words in a language translated into one or more language. We are moving to another example of print material, that's encyclopedia. And for our case, encyclopedia, we have two types of encyclopedia. We have general encyclopedia and subject encyclopedia. In other words, specific. Encyclopedia is a book giving information on all branches of knowledge or specific subject. Also, it is also known as a storehouse of knowledge. It is a source commonly used as a reference tool. And I think mostly it is used by high school and primary students as a reference tool. They are useful in solving research problems because they answer questions like what, where, when, how, and how an event occurred. They can be general, for example. In that case, it helps in covering wider variety of a subject, encyclopedia, which explores a particular discipline. Plus, we have examples of encyclopedia. We have Americana Encyclo and Encyclopedia of Science and Technology. Class, do you have any question? I think I've come to the end of my lesson. You can go to your libraries and search more on examples of encyclopedia. Thank you, class. Bye-bye.